Hi John, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service. Just wanted to give you a video of your bike so you could see it. It's about 99% complete now. All the new electrics are installed up front here. Got your ammeter and all your indicator lights straightened out, headlight switch, got your bars on. Put an air valve on it for the chokes with the new monoblock carburetors. We got your new clocks on, everything painted up on the tank, turned out beautifully. Still got to put the emblems on, of course. Everything up front is buttoned up, engine is back in and running. We got the new TT pipes on. Everything looks really nice down there. Side cover all painted up with the correct decal on it. Still got to make your chain guard and get your brake light switch on, so that's one little minor thing there. And you got to run the vent hose the rest of the way out under the fender. All the electrics are in place underneath the seat. And if we move right on around here, you can start to see the other side as well. Got your oil filter mounted down below here. It's actually hidden behind the foot peg on the rear. Oil tank painted up nicely with the correct decal on it. You can see the other monoblock over here with the velocity stack on it. Looks very nice. New patent plate on the engine as well. And covers polished up beautifully. And now we're going to go ahead and start it up so you can actually hear it run. Oh, and we also got your tank mount corrected to use the TT tank on the Bonneville frame.